Budget airlines have changed the game by offering cheap flights to more places. But they're only budget if you can avoid all the fees. And the biggest one is usually your bags. Most tickets only include a personal item, and adding a carry-on could double the price of your ticket. So today, we're breaking down the best personal item backpacks for budget airlines by region: the US, Europe, and then Asia, Oceania, and the Middle East, plus what to watch out for so you can stop paying luggage fees. Let's dive in. So of all the regions, USA budget airlines are the most generous when it comes to your personal item bags. Airlines like Spirit, Frontier, and Allegiant don't all have the exact same specs, but they're all hovering around 18 by 14 by 8 inches. We'll put centimeters on the screen as well. And that's big enough for a legitimate 24 to 26 liter backpack. Southwest doesn't even specify. They just say fits under the seat, which gives you a lot of options. So for this category, I'm recommending two bags that absolutely nail the balance of size, organization, and build quality. First, the Osprey Daylight 26+6. This is a great option. At 17 by 13 by 6 inches, this is a true personal item that's gonna work for US budget carriers. And then if you're using it for an airline that allows even more capacity, great. That's the beauty of this bag. It has an expansion panel, so you can unzip it and go from 26 liters to 32 liters of capacity when you need it. At just 1.85 pounds, it's remarkably lightweight, nearly half the weight of many of its competitors. But despite being so light, this thing doesn't collapse in on itself like a cheap ultralight bag. The exterior uses 300D recycled ripstop polyester with a beefier 600D on the bottom where you need durability. The organization is thoughtfully minimalist. Clamshell style opening, internal compression straps, laptop compartment with two-way access, clean front organization, and two functional water bottle pockets. The harness system uses Osprey's AirScape back panel with mesh-covered foam ridges for ventilation. The shoulder straps are comfortable. There's an adjustable sternum strap with a whistle, classic Osprey, and you get a vertical luggage pass-through. At $100 with Osprey's legendary lifetime warranty, there's just so much value packed into this bag. Now this next bag is a little pricier, but it's one that can be your travel bag and so much more. This is an amazing everyday carry. It's the Air CityPack Pro 2, and it is hands down one of the best designed personal item bags on the market. At 18 by 12.5 by 7 inches and at 24 liters, it fits comfortably within every US budget airline's personal item size, with the exception of just barely JetBlue. But backpacks are squishable, so if you don't overstuff it, you're probably gonna be okay. The exterior is 1680D core durabilistic nylon, seriously rugged stuff, and it has premium YKK zippers throughout. The main compartment opens completely flat like a proper travel bag with two mesh zippered pockets on the front flap. The laptop compartment is suspended and padded. This bag has a great layout and design, and it's very comfortable to wear. Now listen, I don't take for granted that in a video about budget airlines, the price tag of this bag might make it feel kind of out of place. But what I've tried to do in this video is prioritize bags that you might want to use at other times too. And I'll be honest, I think this one is the ultimate do everything EDC / personal item bag. It's perfect for a quick weekend trip or to take to the office every day. I've one bagged with this backpack, and you can two bag with it too. It's a great companion to your roller bag. Heck, we've used this bag as our diaper bag. And honestly, it's one of the rare bags that could realistically be your one backpack. It is excellent. So we're mentioning a lot of airlines and their policies in this video. And if you want an easy, quick reference tool to see if a bag you're considering fits on the airlines you fly, I've got you covered. I made Will My Bag Fit after getting tired of looking up airlines rules, frankly. And we have a list of over 160 airlines carry-on and personal item policies there. And the cool thing is you can filter by specific airline or airline region. Use the QR code on the screen or go to the link below. It is super useful. All right, moving on to Europe. European budget airlines have gotten progressively stricter. Ryanair, infamous for measuring bags down to the millimeter. Their size limit is 15.7 by 11.8 by 7.9. Wizz Air is similarly strict. EasyJet, slightly more generous, Not really. You're still looking at a much smaller bag than what US Airlines allow. So for this category, we need some bags that are genuinely compact, but still functional enough for actual travel. 3 good options for you. Cabin Zero has literally built their entire brand around European airline compliance, so they know these restrictions quite possibly better than anyone. The Classic Tech backpack measures 15.4 by 11.6 by 7 inches, which fits Ryanair's size limits perfectly. And if it fits Ryanair, it's pretty much gonna fit all of these budget airlines. At 28 liters of capacity and only 1 pound 9 ounces, this thing is lightweight and spacious. The exterior is 600D recycled polyester with water-resistant coating, and it's got YKK zippers. And what makes this bag great for European travel is the organization. Full clamshell opening for easy packing, external laptop compartment that fits up to 15.6 inches, water bottle pocket on the side, and enough internal organization without being overwhelming. The shoulder straps have airflow systems, there's a luggage pass-through, and multiple grab handles. And at just over $100, it's an exceptional value for European travelers who need guaranteed personal item size airline compliance. Next is the Tom Bin Synapse 19. This bag comes in at 16 by 11.4 by 7.9 inches and 19 liters of capacity, and it fits within European airline restrictions while still feeling like a proper travel bag. It weighs only 1 pound 11 ounces, and so it's impressively light for how feature-rich it is. The organization is great. 5 exterior zippered pockets, plus the main compartment, all with O-rings for attaching accessories. The modular design means that you can add their laptop sleeves, pouches, and accessories to customize exactly how you want to pack and carry this thing. The harness system uses very comfortable contoured straps, and the back panel is a nice ventilated spacer mesh. Tom Bin is a legendary brand in the carry community. Their bags are handmade in Seattle. They make really high quality backpacks, and they offer a ridiculous guarantee and repair program. So when you buy one of their bags, you're basically buying for life. Users of this bag rave about its durability. Now, if you want my opinion, there's 2 trade-offs here. 1, aesthetic. I personally have just never thought these bags looked that great, kind of frumpy. I recognize that's a personal thing. Second, price. This bag is not cheap. It's very high quality, very well made. Could be the only bag you ever need for the next 20 years because of their repair and replacement program. But if your whole mindset is spend as little as possible, could be a con for you. If you want something that's gonna fit, but is, in my opinion, a little better looking, check out the Troubadour Apex Compact 4.0. Measuring in at 16 by 11.5 by 5.5 inches, this fits European airline restrictions while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. This was named New York Times Wirecutter's best laptop backpack for 2025. The exterior is Troubadour's Fortiweave fabric, which is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. It's eco-friendly and actually weatherproof. The bag features a laptop compartment that can hold a 14-inch laptop, and the 3/4 zip opening allows maximum visibility to your load. What sets this bag apart is the ergonomics. Troubadour's contoured S-shaped shoulder straps with soft foam padding eliminate pressure points. There's a quick access origami quiver pocket on the shoulder strap for phone or cards, 2 water bottle pockets, one with a zip closure, and smart interior organization. If you want a bag that's premium and looks it, this one is worth checking out. Now, carriers in Asia, Oceania, and the Middle East are usually the most restrictive with personal item sizing. Airlines like AirAsia, Scoot, and Indigo not only have smaller size limits, often as small as 16 by 12 by 4 inches, but many of them are also quite strict about weight. So let's be honest about what you're dealing with here. This is basically limiting you to like a purse or sling-sized bag. But I want to be helpful, and you probably aren't going to pack everything you need for your trip into a purse. If you're flying these airlines and your goal is to maximize what you can carry without having to check a bag, in my mind, there's 2 realistic options. Option 1 is go really minimal with your personal item and use a backpack that's ultra slim, something like the Air Slim Pack, the new Packed Mode backpack, or a packable day pack like the Osprey Light Stuff Pack or the Matador Refraction. But even then, don't overstuff these bags. Remember, 4 inches, like you don't have much to work with there. Option 2 is just accept that you might need to pay for a carry-on, right? And if you do that, you will still need to be very mindful of weight, as weight limits for additional carry-ons are still only like 15 pounds for most of these airlines. So here's a handful of options, and my goal here is to keep things very lightweight. From a backpack's perspective, first, the Osprey 26+6 that I mentioned earlier, it's an extremely carry-on compliant bag, and it's very lightweight. Arguably the best lightweight carry-on backpack on the market is made by ULA Equipment, the Ultra Dragonfly. This bag comes from the ultralight hiking world, and it shows. From a suitcase perspective, the July Carry-On Light weighs just 3.9 pounds and measures 21.2 by 14.1 by 7.5 inches. It is, no question, a no frills bag, okay? But if lightweight is your goal, it seriously delivers. If you found today's video helpful and you decide any of these bags are right for you, please consider using the links in the description below. That's how we're able to keep making videos like this, and we seriously appreciate it. If you want to dive deeper into the world of lightweight backpacks, check out this video right here. And if you want to see our list of the best lightweight suitcases, check out this one here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.